Kasi hindi ko din talaga siya makukuha ng ano. I feel very don't send here. Hello. Hello, John. I followed you back. Oh, sorry. Thought I could help you with your problems. No, you will help me. You help me like that. Um, what I'm telling to you is, I can I can cash out my this money in here. So I prefer if you give some gifts, right? I prefer in cash or send here. Send in the private, right? Right? Did you understand what I'm talking about? This, but thank you so much for giving me a gift. I really, really appreciate. I really appreciate you giving me a gift. Thank you guys for giving me a gift for my birthday. Thank you. Hello guys. Guys, wag naman sana kayong bastos kung makikipag-usap sa akin. Hi, mic drop. I don't talk to anyone like that. Hi! Hi, Abnu Bayas. Hello po. Guys, thank you for giving me a gift, ah. I appreciate it. No, this is my main account.